Item number 1.
On behalf of C. Mr. Sir, only file is non-available, and that file tag is also lost to the mail. Tag file is 5498 of 2024, order date 35, series 5, 2024.
Yes, Mr. Miller. Same order for the
Hon'Ble.
Similarly situated co-accused has been granted anticipatory bail, but he also looking for it. Yes.
Hon'Ble.
Number 2. Item number 2, my lord, in procures.
And counsel for the petition submits that the matter has become infructuous, accordingly disposed of.
Item number 3.
May I please, lords? Lord, FIR is in the year 2017, my lord. My lord was earlier granted co-accused person, my lord, ABLFL number 8038 of 2017, my lord. Order dated, my lord.
What is the position now?
My charge sheet has been submitted.
No, thereafter?
Thereafter, my name is entangled.
No.
Yep.
Co-accused persons have been released on bail.
My lord.
Acha, lucky janto. Not inclined to release the petitioner on bail, surrender and move for bail, same shall be disposed of first or second or claim of parity to be taken. Yes.
Second is same, my
lord. For item number 4, same. Submitted a charge sheet has already been sir. Yes.
Item 5.
Next.
Item 6.
Next.
Item 7.
Going to the fact of the case, Your Lordship, the present petitioner's bail application earlier disposed of by Honorable Justice A.K. Mahapatra, Lordship. That order is Lordship with me. And in certificate also is mentioned. By ABLPL number 12135 of 2022, Your Lordship. That certificate is on this.
What order was first?
That order was first when first or second or moved for bail, Your Lordship.
So why have you come again?
Yes, what happened now, though the affair has been registered since 2021, till it charge sheet has been filed. Keeping information open 173 surplus 8 is filed charge sheet. Though my name not yet been appeared. But now the present, the police is apprehending, raided the house of the present prisoner. Therefore, the petitioner apprehending arrest. Therefore, approach this on report.
No, you have submitted, filed the copy of the charge sheet.
Yes, Your Lordship.
This charge sheet was filed in 12/6/21.
That is, yes, Your Lord. Keeping information open, Your Lordship.
That is filed only against one Kunjo Bihari Das.
Yes.
Or other person. Column number 11, page number 16.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Accused name is Kunjo Bihari Das.
Yes, Your Lordship. But now the subsequent the police has filed charge sheet, going to file charge sheet.
No, going to file charge sheet.
In that, the name of the present prisoner come to light that is alleged to be accused in this case.
So any instruction whether there is any apprehension of arrest of the petitioner?
I have not taken any.
So take instruction. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits. Petitioner earlier approached this court for anticipatory bail in ABLFPL number 12135 of 2022. You have got that copy of that order?
Yes.
Please pass on. And by the order dated 27/9/2022, the application was disposed of and petitioner was directed to surrender in the court below and application for bail. The land counsel for the petitioner files the copy of the order which is taken on record. Submits that the petitioner couldn't surrender on the date fixed. And in the meantime, and the charge sheet has already been submitted in this case on 12/5/2021 against one Kunjya Bihari Das. However, since the investigation has been kept open under section 173(8) of CRPC, the petitioner is apprehending arrest. Since in the meantime, more than 3 years have already passed from the date of filing of the charge sheet, let the Learned Counsel for the state obtain instruction as to the status of the case and whether there is any apprehension of arrest of the petitioner in this case or not. Put of this matter, such and such that. Yes, next.
May I pray one thing, Lordship? Being a lady, Lordship, so far the principle.
Next.
Item 8.
Charge sheet submitted under section 420/409 not named in the FIR, Lordship, and basing upon the co-accused statement, he has been implicated, and all the co-accused person already released on bail.
And all the co-accused persons,
Yes, sir.
what happened? They
All
have
the
been granted
co-accused-
bail.
Yes, all. Last order, that is 5504, and lady was there, and your Lordship has passed the order. Similar.
You are also a lady.
No, your Lordship, not a lady.
This petitioner is a lady. Why you say no?
No, this petitioner is not a lady. This is Sudha Mahanand.
Why you have mentioned as wife of?
Sorry, your Lordship, there is that
You
typographical
yourself
error.
have mentioned that this is-
Typographical error, your Lordship.
So what is to be done? You have filed.
May I be permitted
Is
to
it
correct?
paperless matter or
It's a paper.
huh? Paperless? So file a copy of the front page, that first page,
Yes, your Lordship.
type copy.
Yes, your Lordship.
The Learned Counsel, he has already been, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that inadvertently in the cause title, the petitioner Sudha Mahanand has been wrongly described as wife of Champe Mahanand. In fact, he is the son of Champe Mahanand, and he will file correct cause title during course of the day. Stop. No, I'm mentioning that he files the correct cause title.
Yeah, I'll
And he files the correct first title, which is taken on record. Learned Counsel further submits that the offences are triable by magistrate, and similarly situated co-accused has been granted anticipatory bail in ABLAPL number 5504 of 2024 by the order dated 30/5/2024. He files the copy of the order, which is taken on record. Considering the submission made by the Learned Counsel for the respective parties, the nature of accusation against the petitioner, filing of charge under sections 1 and so, and since the offences are triable by magistrate, I'm inclined to release the petitioner on anticipatory bail allowed.
Okay.
Item 9.
Seal values.
May I please, your Lordship?
Yes.
And here the principal offence is under section 307 of IPC, along with other allied sections of IPC method. Considering the fact that FIR was lodged against unknown persons and the injury sustained by the injured was simple in nature, your Lordship was pleased to grant bail to 3 of the co-accused persons, and I have annexed those bail orders at annexure 2 series. That starts from page 13.
Nature of injuries are simple.
My Lord, your Lordship has observed in page 14 first.
No, nature of injury sustained. Simple will to good like
First paragraph. 14 page ro first. 13 ro continuing.
Peru the FIR अच्छा. And the injured persons of substance.
Right.
ठीक है. Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that petitioner is similarly situated like the co-accused, so and so, who have been granted anticipatory bail, deep anticipatory bail. the injuries are simple in nature, and therefore, ground of claim of parity petition may be granted anticipatory. Then counsel for the state has no serious objection, well allowed. Yes.
Obliged.
Item 10.
Case bail application.
May I please your lordship? My lord, that in this case, the offence alleged under section 20B2C, my lord, this present petitioner earlier approached this honorable court in ABL appeal number 7967, in which that the order is that the same day disposal with the parity, my lord. My lord, the other co-accused person faced trial and acquitted, and this present petitioner is remained as a absconder, so he is not coming under similar footing. His bail application rejected, considering the same. My lord, the
Get the case diary,
My lord.
or you are having case diary?
No. Just asking.
All right. Case diary, criminal antecedent. Yes, next.
item 11. Much obliged.
It abhi same CTCA.
Item 12.
CTC Procedural.
2 CTCA. Next.
Item 13.
376 do mal 376 D
DA ଅଛି
D ଅଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
D ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି D
D
order ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ହଁ D ଅଛି extra copy to be served, notice to be issued ହେଲା CD CA and
Item 14.
21C CD ଅଛି
No, madam. CD.
CD CA.
One thing I will say, madam. Your lordship dealt matter earlier and rejected on the ground that he has some criminal antecedent.
Yes.
If my friend will supply the case numbers, I will get instruction.
That is why I have asked him to obtain the criminal antecedent.
No, madam.
Item 15.
May I please?
Offense कौन हो?
My lord, 302 and 10 DPS are there.
अच्छी की case diary?
My lord,
CDCA. Next.
my lord, along with, my lord, this is one of the bail applications earlier is pending posted to after ensuing puja holidays. My lord, kindly
Rather case diary.
My lord.
Number ta zero na.
973 BLPL number 9735 of 24.
735.
24, 9736 of 24, 9738 of 24. My lord.
Yes, next.
Item 16.
No. Nua matter ho.
16 madam CD में. DA ଅଛି ମୁଁ.
अच्छा D ଅଛି notice jo. Say extra copy. CDCA notice confirmation letter. Yes.
Item 17.
There कौन offense कौन?
ସେଟା CD ଯିବ.
आज 376 3
CD
ଅଛି.
ଯିବ.
Notice jo. Extra copy. Notice jo CDCA. Yes.
Item 18.
18 extension allowed.
Item 19.
Allowed.
Item 20.
Modification कौन है? की modification?
Okay, madam.
ना दी छोड़ो. Next.
Item 21.
In particular, my lord, modification, my lord, this ABLPL has filed the alias name of the petitioner, my lord. But the actual name is Omar Bahar.
Modification of order dated 6/7/22.
Yes, my lord.
Huh?
That ABLPL has filed alias name of the petitioner, my lord, that is Shankar Lama. But his Aadhaar card name is Omar Bahadur, my lord. And petitioner also gone to for surrender, my lord. And this is the order dated 27
No,
24
totally ଅଲଗା ନା ଆଉ
ନାଇଁ ତା
ଶଙ୍କର ଲାମା ଅମର କୁମାର ବାହାଦୁର କେମିତି ଦିଅ ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ
ମିଲନ
whether is the one and same person
yes
or
yes
not.
ମିଲନ
Mr. Tripathi ସେ ଆଣ୍ଟିସିପେଟରୀ ବେଲ୍ ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କର ନାଁ ଥିଲା ଶଙ୍କର ଲାମା ସେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସରେଣ୍ଡର କରିବାକୁ ଗଲେ କଣ ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ କଲେନି କାରଣ ଇଏ କାର୍ଡରେ ଥିଲା
ଅମର ବାହାଦୁର
ଆଧାର କାର୍ଡ
yes ମିଲନ
ଆଧାର କାର୍ଡରେ ଥିଲା ଅମର କୁମାର ବାହାଦୁର ତେଣୁ ଇଏ ଶଙ୍କର ଲାମା ଆଉ ଅମର କୁମାର ଦେଖ କି ନାଇଁ ଟିକେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଇଏ କପି ଆଉ ଅନ୍ୟାନ୍ୟ ଜିନିଷ
yes
IA number so and so, this is an application for modification of the order dated 6/7/2022. The Land and Council for the petitioner submits that when the anticipatory bail application was filed, it was filed in the name of Sankar Lama. However, when the application was disposed of, but in Aadhaar card, the name of the petitioner has been mentioned as Amar Kumar Bahadur, and therefore his alias name may be mentioned. The Land and Council for the state took some time to obtain instructions as to whether Sankar Lama and Amar Kumar Bahadur is one and same person or not. Put up the matter after puja holidays. Yes.
Not similarly father name also Kala Bahadur as per Aadhaar card Milord but in order
लिखिनांतो
yes ଲେଖା
प्रेयर अच्छा प्रेयर टा देखिले दो बापा नहीं भूलो काला बहादुर एथर आधार कार्ड रे कोन
आधार कार्ड रे अछि काला बहादुर
अछि तो अपने करेक्शन कोन
एटा मिलड इन ऑर्डर मिलड दैट इज काले लामा एट्रेट बहादुर सेटा भी इंस्ट्रक्शन पळे आसो क्लियर है जो
अच्छा ऑर्डर अछि काले लामा देखि देबे से जो एपीएल एपीएल काले लामा and काला बहादुर as mentioned in the Aadhaar card is one and same person or not. Father's name है ना yes
I may pardon. 16 I may be permitted are at the victim as a party because notice has to be issued.
Notice has already been issued. Directed you just to RD Land and Council. अपन इटा ऑनलाइन फाइलिंग
एटा तो बस हां
ऑनलाइन फाइलिंग है तो बड़ा पेज देवे ऑनलाइन फाइलिंग है
separate page हां this will be convenient otherwise it cannot be correct.
Next
free copy 21
21 of free copy देता हूं
मैं कॉपी भी दे दूंगा
Item 22.
Next
Item 23.
item
20 yes
on yes
okay 20 of after puja holidays ko yes
Item 24.
next
Item 20.
yeah.
In this case, my lord, this is second round, my lord. Petitioner has inside custody since 24/12/2021.
You approved this code earlier
Yes, my lord.
what is the number
My lord, the earlier number is mentioned. My lord, BLAPL 45
Your Lordship. Then, my lord, petitioner, my lord, inside custody, my lord.
You are appearing, Mr. Jena, for the NCB matter. Acha.
25/8/2020.
Your Lordship has called for a report from the trial court.
Report from the
Trial court.
Trial
my
court.
about the status of the case.
My lord.
Status of.
Uh,
As per my instruction, my lord,
eight charge sheet witness, 5 witnesses have been examined. So
in the meanwhile, my lord, 1, 2 witnesses have also been absent. For my
this is the report of dated 10/7/24.
and this is the custody report, my lord.
Inside custody, my lord, 25/8/2020.
And it is outsider, my lord.
No, the
Petitioner is the driver of the vehicle, my lord.
no, after this report indicates that the number of witnesses are 8.
8, my lord. 8 witnesses.
5 witnesses have been examined by the date of sending the report, that is on 10th of July. So since in the meantime almost 3 months have passed.
Most have been examined. My lord, I have one conversation with the IO.
Okay.
He has told that in the meanwhile to within, but I am not sure, ma'am. There is no written. So Lordship में 5 as per report, your Lordship. That's
telephone. 5 night 3 months report.
Apni jadi कहूଛନ୍ତି no, your Lordship call for.
No, you are there. You can obtain instruction what is there. So number 2, you get it, and also the instruction about that whether the address is correct or not.
Right.
All right.
Yes. Over telephone, my lord, I have taken the instruction. The 7 witnesses have been examined, but report comes 6 witnesses have been. Telephone
the periodic status report dated 10/7/2024, which indicates that out of 8 charge sheet witnesses, 5 witnesses have been examined. Mr. Udit Ranjan Jena, Central Government Council, submits that he has received instruction that some more witnesses have been examined, but he is not sure how many witnesses have been examined, and therefore a phrase would be called for. He further submits that since the petitioner belongs to Maharashtra, he will obtain instruction in the meantime whether the address furnished in the cause title is correct or not. Put up this matter after.
I have also brought the mallet custody certificate.
Puja Holiday. London Council for the so files the custody certificate of the petitioner, which is taken on record. So address verification, then status, case status of the case, custody certificate files. Yes.
Item 29. May it please, your lordship. Conviction under 20B2C. Sentence to undergo arrest for 10 years and to pay a fine of rupees 1 lakh. Your lordship then kindly turn to page 2, para 3. He was in custody since 15/12/9 till about 20/24/14. Thereafter, he was granted interim bail. He did not surrender and was taken into custody on 8/11/23.
No. This court granted you bail.
So he did not surrender in time, and thereafter, my lord, thereafter he was taken into custody on 8/11/23.
So Barthaman
ଅଛି ଜେଲରେ ଅଛି। ଆଗରୁ ଥିଲା 15/9 ପ୍ରାୟ 21/8/14 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ, ତାପରେ
5 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ତାପରେ 18/11/23 ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସୁଦ୍ଧା ଅଛି।
18/11/23 ମାନେ ଆଉ 6 ମାସ ନାଇଁ 8 ମାସ 18/11 ନାଇଁ 10 ମାସ ହେଇଗଲାଣି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Interim bail was granted on 2014, my lord.
Sir, ଲେଖିଛି ପରା।
2014.
ଆଜ୍ଞା। Field about
For a period of 6 months, 6 weeks.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ତାପରେ ତ ଇଏ ହେଇଗଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସରେଣ୍ଡର କଲା ଭିତରେ। ତାପରେ ତଳ କୋର୍ଟ NBW ଆସିଲା, ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ କଲି 15/12/2009 ରୁ କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି କଷ୍ଟଡି?
ଘରୁ ଥିଲା ଯୋଉଦିନ ଘଟଣା ହେଲା। The day he was caught.
ଲୋକ କୋଉଠିକାର ପଳେଇ ଯାଉଛି କଣ?
ଆଠଗଡ଼।
ପଳେଇ ଯାଉଛି।
ହୁଁ
The Learning Counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner was taken into judicial custody on 15/12/2009, and during trial he was not on bail. After pronouncement of the judgment on 24th January 2014, when he filed his criminal appeal by the order dated 21/8/2014, he was granted him bail for a period of 6 weeks. However, he didn't surrender on the date fixed for which an unbailable warrant of arrest was issued, and ultimately he has been taken into judicial custody on
8/11/23.
8/11/23,
My lord.
and therefore out of
10
10
years.
years of substantive sentence, the petitioner has already undergone about 6 years of sentence. And since there is no chance of early hearing, the bail application of the petitioner may be favorably considered. Learned counsel for the state oppose the prayer for bail. Considering the submissions, sentence imposed by the learned trial for period already undergone by sponsor, and keeping in view the ratio laid down in the Muhammad Muslim sponsor, bail allowed.
Item 30.
Please receive. Last application receive a call.
আসছি custody certificate?
No, sir, as 3-4 times, my lord, your lordship has directed me to produce the custody certificate.
ତାଙ୍କ client bail ହେଇଗଲା ସିଏ ଯାଇକି ସେଠୁ କହିବେ ସେଠୁ brief transfer ହବ। ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ଛୁଟି પર yes
In the meantime, my lord, he has been transferred from
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ କୋଉଠି
Jharpura to Khuntuni, my lord.
ହଁ,
ସେଇଆ ହେଇଛି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି।
25/10
ହଁ, ସେ ଚିଠି ପାଉନାହାନ୍ତି।
25 ଆସିବ।
ଆପଣ ଚିଠି କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି। ଚିଠି ହେଇନି।
Yes,
ଜେଲ୍ ବାଲା
custody
କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆମ ପାଖରେ ନାହିଁ।
certificate,
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିପାରିଲାନି କିନ୍ତୁ କଥା
ଖାତା କରିଦେବେ।
Take some further time. Yes, next.
ତାଙ୍କ ଲୋକ ଅଛନ୍ତି
Item 31.
ଏଇଠି ଲର୍ଡସିପ ୱାନ୍ କାଣ୍ଡି ଫିକ୍ସେଡ୍
ଆଉ ରହିବ 25 ତାରିଖ ରହିଲା custody certificate।
ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଇନ୍ ଖୁଣ୍ଟୁଣି ଜେଲ୍ ନା my lord.
ଜାଣିନି
ଝାରପଡାରୁ
ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କୋଉଠି କଣ ଅଛି ସେ ଦେବେ ବୁଝିକି ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ଝାରପଡା ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଆଗରୁ, କାଲି ଜାଣିଲେ ସେ ଖୁଣ୍ଟୁଣି ଜେଲ୍ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ହେଇଯାଇଛି।
ଲେଖିକି ନେଲେଣି ତ ଆଣିବେ ଆଉ। Yes, next.
Item 31.
And for the NCB. ନାହାନ୍ତି ଇଏର next
Lordship is passing.
ନାଇଁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କାଳେ ଆସିବେ ତ
Item 32.
No plus minus. The
Fine.
Earlier, the appellant was released on interim bail twice, and he surrendered in time. The appellant is inside custody since 22nd November 2017.
କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ
10 years,
କେତେ ଗଲେଣି
out of 10 years, he is inside custody 7 years, 1 month. Except interim bail period 6 years, 6 months.
କଷ୍ଟଡି ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଆଣିଲେନି
ନା
ଏଇଟା କଣଟେ ସରେଣ୍ଡର ଫାଇଲ ଦି ସରେଣ୍ଡର ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଟେକନ ଅନ ରେକର୍ଡ ଦିଥର ବେଲେ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି
Surrendered in time.
Submission made by the land council for the petitioner that out of 10 years of substantive sentence, the petitioner has already undergone 7 years of sentence and twice he has been granted by this court.
By this court.
That is after availing the semi-surrender at right time. And there is no chance of early hearing. Slipping in view, the ratio than in Muhammad Muslim case, will allowed. Next.
Item 36.
Made please, your lordship. Well, the conviction for 10 years, Malas, the petitioner is already in custody as in today, 9 years, 9 months, and 2 days. In between, he has been released 2 times on interim bail. And
10 years sentence, 9 years in custody. Twice he has been released on bail, surrender at right time, bail allowed. Yes,
I'm grateful.
Item 37.
My pleasure, Lord. Here, person has been convicted for 10 years, my lord. Out of 10 years, my lord, near about 8 years in custody, and your lordship has granted twice interim bail, and he has
next 8 years, custody, the third bail allowed. Next.
Item 38.
your lordship said twice to ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଥରେ ଯାଇଥିଲେ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଯାଇନି.
Twice though he has been granted allowed bail, but he has gone on interim bail once. So, yes, next.
Item 38.
It matter I filed Vinama on behalf of on the basis of prisoner petition.
Prisoner's petition, Mr. Divedi has filed the Vinama, which is accepted. The name of other counsel shall not be reflected in the clause list. Yes.
I'm taking up
this interim application for bail. Mr. Divedi accept prayer to adjourn this matter after Puja holiday. After Puja holiday.
Item 39.
39 can I take no after that?
After Puja holidays.
Item 40.
Yes, Mr. Mahapatra.
Please, my lord, after this verification found correct, my lord has asked the moment I do to take the documents of bail for verification. ସେଦିନ ଦେଇଥିଲି
କେବେ ଦେଲେ
କୋର୍ଟରେ
ଭେରିଫିକେସନ କରିକି ଆଣିଲେ ଲୋକାଲ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ପ୍ରଶାନ୍ତ ନାହକ ଆଉ କାଶୀନାଥ ଦାସ
ଆଉ ଦି ଜଣ ଆଉ 4 ଜଣ ନାଁ ଦେଇଛି
ତମକୁ ଏତେ ଜଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଦେଲେ ମୁଁ କୋଉଠି
ସେଇ ଦିଟା କଣ ହେଇଛି ସେମାନେ ଇଚ୍ଛା କଲେନି
6 ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଲେ କଣ ହବ
ଯୁଧିଷ୍ଠିର ସାହୁ ଆଣ୍ଡ ବାଉରୀ ସ୍ୱାଇଁ ପାଇଁ
ଆପଣ ଥରୁ ଥର ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆପଣ କାହା ଯାହାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ସିଏ ଗୋଟେ କଣ ପ୍ରଶାନ୍ତ ଦେଲେ ସିଏ ନେଇକି ନାଇଲା ବେଳକୁ କହିଲେ ନାଇଁ ଯୁଧିଷ୍ଠିର ମରିଯିବ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ କିନି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତା ନା ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଭେରିଫାଏ ହବ
ଦେଇ ସାର୍
ମନା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ
ସେ ତ 6ଟା ଖଣ୍ଡେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ
ଶୁଭମ ସାର୍ ଦିଟା ଦେଇଥିଲି ସାର୍ ସେମାନେ କହିଲେ ଆମେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସେ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆସିଲା ସେ ଆମେ କହିଲେ ଆମେ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ହବୁନୁ ବେଲର ମନା କଲେ ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ସାର୍ ଆଉ ତମେ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କର ଆଉ ଦେବ ହେଲେ 2 ଜଣ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ସାର୍ ଆର କଣ ସାର୍ ଉତ୍ତମ ଉପାଧ୍ୟାୟ ଆଉ 2 ଜଣ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ଅନୱାର ଖାନ
ଆଉ କାହାର
ଅନୱାର ଖାନ 2 ଜଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସାର୍
ଏଠି ଦିଟା ଇଏ ଅଛି
ହଁ ସାର୍
अच्छा अच्छा ओ अच्छा ये मिस्टर त्रिपाठी
यस
ये को बेलर काउ चाहुचंदी
सेटा स्पेसिफिक करंतु तपर
हां से नै आसंतु आपण
स्पेसिफिक करि दियंतु
को बेलरटा का पई नबल चाहुचन से नै आसी
जुडिशियल साव एंड बाउरिशा फॉर उत्तम
कागज लिखि दम दियंतु the land council for the petitioner has supplied the list of 2 bailers two local sureties for each of the appellant with documents, and the Land Council for the state seeks some time to obtain instruction regarding to ascertain about the authenticity of the documents and genuineness of ballot. Matter after puja holiday. आगे लिखिबे appellant ना ता तले लिखिबे surety ना हला appellant number 1 ता ना लिखिबे surety हला 1 2 कम कला तार ये हला
Item 41.
The petitioner has been in custody since 10/5/2016, convicted for condition of the appellant's mother, my lord.
interim bill
Interim bail, my lord.
I am for the informative.
केमदी जा मां को दे केमदी
As per my instruction, there are other male members are there to take care of her.
मां को दे पचार दी ता ऑर्डर
But he is well and good at.
कौन आसला रिपोर्ट
ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆସିନାହିଁ
हां
ଆସିଯାଇଛି
ହଁ ସେଟା
mother of the petitioner is staying so and so in feeble health condition. She was sitting in on bed. Prescription found that it has been prescribed by so and so. Admitted on so and so, discharge on Namako. So and so produced the was admitted in Sai Bone and Joint Clinic Hospital. Satish discharge on so and so. What offense कौन है तेरे
307, my lord. Flat for 10 years, my lord.
307 ने
My lord.
कौन कर लगे अपन
After
लेफ्ट हैंड भांगी कितने वर्ष रह लेनी
3 years, more than 3 years, 3 months, my lord. 3 months, 3 years, 3 months.
जान तो से मां को ये अच्छी दसरा अच्छी जाओ और दी लर्निंग काउंसिल फॉर दिस वांस है ना मां को दे रिपोर्ट असले मास से दे दूंगा यस
Item 45.
हां
Praying for Passover. Passover playing.
असुर नहीं जीवो छुट्टी करो यस
May please your lordship. Item 46. 45, my lord.
45 क्यों आपको को मैटर है
45.
हाँ एठी बसिकरी मैटर टा कर देली घरटी
45 ରେ କଣ ଆପଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି?
Yes, I am for the opposite party.
No,
Unanimous.
you are acha bail application.
Yes,
You want adjournment?
No, sir, pay for pass over, sir. One pass over.
Yes, sir. Matter?
my lord, your lordship has granted the interim bail, and the petitioner has surrendered in time, my lord, and now he is in custody.
Offense ହେଲା 20B2C.
20B2C.
କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ରହିଲେଣି?
my lord, 5 years, 10 months.
କାଇଁ custody certificate କାଇଁ?
Annexed, my lord. Annexure 1, my lord. Annexure A, my lord. Custody certificate, my lord.
ଓହୋ custody certificate ଆପଣ କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ରହିଲେଣି କୁ ପଚାରୁଛି ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି surrender certificate ହେଲେ custody certificate ଟା ନେଇ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ହେଲା this is an application for bail. The Learning Council for the so and so submits that out of 10 years of sentence, not 12 years. 12 years of sentence, the petitioner has undergone more than 5 years.
More than
5 years of sentence. Let the Learning Council for the state, Union of India, Central Government Council for the you are mentioning on whose behalf?
T.K. Satpathy, sir.
Acha, T.K. Satpathy. He is the
He's the counsel for the
Council for the Union of India.
Council for the CGST, sir. Central Excise Customer.
Central Excise and Custom. Like designation da kon actually. Standing Council, so and so. Obtain the custody certificate, put up this matter after Puja holidays. Yes.
Item 46. Item 47.
Item 47, my lord, I am for the last
Item 49.
Under the SCST Act.
Notice sufficient.
Yes, notice sufficient. And last occasion, your lordship directed me to serve the copies of the deposition that was also served to the.
Offense कौन?
302.
कौन साक्षी माने कहले?
Second, the informant is PW6.
कौन कहला से?
He may not supported to the assertion, but PW6 is the informant. While my lord lodging the affair, she has not stated anything about the appellant number 1, Chandan Malik. The affair was not lodged against him. Subsequently, my lord, he was arraigned as the accused, and he stated that I am the.
In each, there are 3 criminal appeals.
So by the first my lord 108 of 2024, there are 2 appellants. The first appellant is Chandan Malik. Against.
Yes. Item 49. First CRLA 108 of 2024.
Yes, ma'am.
Appeal memo दियो.
2 appellants.
गोटे होची चंदन मल्लिक
और राजू alias रजत मल्लिक.
चंदन मल्लिक और हला राजू alias रजत मल्लिक. तापर सेकंड होची सेकंड भी आपन करो.
आज्ञा.
CRL 323 2024. तादेर जणे ना दी जण.
तादेर जणे.
टुकुटा alias
टुकुटा alias जीवनानंद मल्लिक.
जीवनानंद मल्लिक. तापर आसला
325
CRL 325 2024. आदेर जणे ना दी जण.
जणे. मिहिर दल सिंह राय.
दल सिंह
राय.
Charge sheet आदेर पूछ रही थी.
Charge sheet submitted under section 341, 294, 294, 323, 324, 325, 307, 2, 506, 120B by 34 of the IPC. Read with sections 3.1 small r, small s, 3.2 W and 3.2 VA of the SC and ST PO Act and section 25 of the Arms Act.
Informant.
Informant, my lord, page 11, the first appeal, appeal number on annex the affair at my lord, annex 1. Page 11, she is the my lord injured who was present at the time of occurrence.
Informant is the injured.
Yes, my lord.
Informant.
Ashok Behera.
Ashok Behera. Injured. Examined as PW6.
Yes, my lord.
कौन कहला से
एफआईआर कहूची आमे आम ग्रामर शरत ठाकुरलाइन आम ग्रामर शरत देहुरी और लक्ष्मण देहुरी पिता पठाणी देहुरी मिसिकरी गोड़ीझरिया बजार को शरत झियो बाहागर
डिसीज रो ना को
टू डिसीज माय लॉर्ड. अच्छा. one is शरत देहुरी and another is लक्ष्मण देहुरी.
Date of occurrence given.
Date of occurrence is my lord 8/7/2022. FIR was lodged on the next date 8/7. They are in the custody, my lord, since 18/7/2022.
Namaste.
Again. And different dates are there. So by the appellant number Chandan Malik 18/7.
Evidence copy was on PW6.
54 charge sheet witness. Page 11 is the affair. Aji Third line, Ajay Thana.
To say that this is the only witness who is the eyewitness to the occurrence,
I
or
guess so.
other eyewitnesses are there. Mr. Das, otherwise verify those witnesses to be. It is a case of double murder. The learned counsel for the appellant submits that the informant is the injured. Informant Ashok Behra is an injured in this case, and he has already been examined as PW6 in the trial court. The learned counsel for the state submits that since it's a case of double murder, he has received the case diary. He may be given some time to verify as to whether there's any other eyewitnesses left out to be examined in the trial court or not. Put up this matter after Puja holiday. Yes.
Publish.
Item 50.
May I please? Under section 34, 34 and 354, 354B, 392 IPC, AC stag.
Offense kono?
AC stag. Already
sufficient hala?
Already work is released on bail.
Jaini? SC, extra copy to be served, notice to be issued. CD, CS next.
Item 51.
Confirmation letter asila?
My lord. Notice is
Notice of?
Yes, notice of my lord.
Offense kono?
302 and other offense. Principal which I already been released on bail by this one. I am handing over.
Upon role kono? Principal accused
He was driving the van, my lord. Pickup van. The which was released on bail. I was sitting on the side, my lord. The principal accused did not saw, my lord. He was driving the pickup van at 11 at night, my lord. At that time, the informant saw met an accident with that van, my lord. Your lordships earlier heard this matter, my lord, in CRLA 212 of 2023, my lord, granting liberty to the petitioner to renew his prayer after examination of witnesses.
That is, so position kono?
Position out of 31 charge sheet witness, my lord, only 16 witnesses have been examined. In that order, that has been reflected, my lord.
Where is the deposition copies?
Deposition I have given, my lord.
And there are also there the regarding the comprehensive affidavit.
Yes, I have filed that comprehensive affidavit, my lord. That is at flag. Yeah, there are 3 antecedents, my lord, as against the petitioner, appellant, my lord. All those
deposition जो एवं केतरा साक्षी हेलेनी
साक्षी 16 जन आइछन्ती
12टा ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ
12ଟା ଦେଇଛି and the principal accused has already been released on bail, my lord.
Main accused किए କହୁଛନ୍ତି
Sahoo, my lord. Sahoo the main accused, my lord.
କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲେଣି ଆପଣ
ରହିଲେଣି, my lord, 17/7/2020, my lord.
17/7/20
2020.
जो साक्षी गुड़ाक ହେଇଛନ୍ତି କଣ କହିଛନ୍ତି ସେ କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ବିନୋଦ ସାହୁ ସି ମେନ୍ yes
ସେ ଅର୍ଡର ଆନେକ୍ସ କରିଛନ୍ତି
Yes, 51 revision.
the appellant is the principal accused and having 2 criminal incidents.
ନାଇଁ criminal antecedent ତ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ଏଇ ଯୋଉଟା
ये bail ହେଇଛି ସେଇଥିରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି. He is the principal accused. Because he was driving the pickup van, that is also reflected at page 250.
para ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି
para 4 madam.
So was your objection is all right. Hard the learned counsel for the petitioner, counsel for the state, and counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner was taken into judicial custody in connection with this case on 17/7/2020. earlier when he approved this court for bail in CRL number 212 of 2023 by the order dated 26/4/2023, the bail application was rejected. Our liberty was granted to the petitioner to renew the prayer bail after examination of the eyewitnesses to the occurrence in the trial court. Learned counsel submits that in the meantime, 16 witnesses have been examined in the trial court. And the main allegation is against one Vinod Kumar Saha, alias Vinod Saha, who has been directed to be released on bail by this court in CRLA number 313 of 2024 by the order dated 5/9/2024. He files the copy of the order, which is taken on record. The learned counsel for the state opposed the prayer for bail on the ground that there are three criminal antecedents against the petitioner. The learned counsel for the petitioner has filed a comprehensive affidavit relating to the status of those cases, considering the submission, nature of accusation against the petitioner, period of detention, progress of the trial, release of the co-accused on bail. I am inclined to reconsider the prayer for bail and direct the petitioner to be released on bail allowed.
Item 52.
In this case, I am appealing for the informant.
Next.
Item 53.
Case notice ଯାଇଥିଲା fresh matter. No, extra copy ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ. Notice to be issued, confirmation letter, CDCA.
Item 54.
এটা কোন fresh matter কি? Mr. Pradhan?
Yes. ନାଇଁ notice ହେଇଛି ଆଗରୁ notice
Notice କଣ ହେଲା? Sufficient ହେଲା?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା.
Has been made sufficient. Case diary ଆସିଲା?
Yes,
ଆଚ୍ଛା. ଆଗରୁ reject ହେଇଥିଲା?
Yes, yes. Earlier it was rejected by the single court.
186 of 23.
Yes, page 84.
Material witnesses examine ପରେ renew କରିବାକୁ କହିଥିଲା.
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
କଣ ହେଲା?
କଷ୍ଟଡି ଅଛି 29/1/2021 ରୁ. There are 1/1/2021. So total charge-sheeted witness is 70. Till today only 7 witnesses have been examined. But none of the witnesses who have been examined supporting the case of prosecution.
Evidence copy ଗୁଡା କାହିଁ?
I am ଦେଇଛି.
ତିନିଟା ତ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ କାହିଁ?
ଦେଇଥିଲି ତିନିଟା ସର୍ଟ କରିଦେଇଥିଲି.
ଆଚ୍ଛା. Mr. Tripathi?
Yes, sir.
7ଟା witness ହେଇସାରିଲେଣି, support କଲେଣି କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି?
I have not received that.
କଣଟା?
Deposition.
Landed ଦେଇଛି ପରା. ଦେଖୁନ.
Deposition copy ହଉଛି
landed ଦେଇଛି ଦେଖୁନ. ଆପଣ ହାତ ଇଏ କରିଦେଲେ.
Annexure 6 series ଟା ହଉଛି PW 123.
164.
Last week.
ଅଛି ବା.
ଆଉ ତାପରେ ପରେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ 4ଟା ସାକ୍ଷୀର PW4 hostile, 5 seizure witness, 6 hostile, 7 seizure witness. 1, 2, 3 ଅଛି annexure 6 series ରେ.
Yes.
1 ହଉଛି seizure witness, 2 hostile, 3 hostile. P02 case na? ये डेट ठीक ଅଛି ତ 29/1/2021
29/1/2021 ରୁ କଷ୍ଟଡିରେ ଅଛି। There is no eyewitness, only circumstantial evidence.
and counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state. When counsel for the petitioner submit that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 29/1/2021. Earlier, when he approached this court for bail in CRL number 186 of 2023, they was rejected by order dated 11/4/2023. However, direction was issued. Liberty was granted to the petitioner to renew the prayer for bail after examination of the material witnesses in the trial court. He further submits that is a case based on circumstantial evidence. Out of 70 charge sheet witnesses, 7 witnesses have been examined, and most of them have not supported the prosecution case. And in view of the change in the circumstances, the bail application may favorably reconsidered. Grand counsel for the state opposed the prayer for bail, placed the evidence of the witnesses. Considering the submissions, the nature of evidence adduced so far in the trial court, period of retention in judicial custody, I am inclined to reconsider the prayer for bail and direct the petitioner to be released on bail allowed.
Item 55.
May I please, Lordship? My lord, last order, my lord. Instruction was sought for.
The appellant's Miller. In first, John Miller, your lordship was pleased to direct renew your prayer after examination of eyewitness Miller.
केते नंबर CRL
151 रे
कौन हला तापरे
lordship I have annexed
आई विटनेस मान एग्जामिन हेलानी
yes lordship running page 14 under annex of 2 your lordship
सपोर्ट करले
again. No, so, he has not supported. Another thing is that Miller, another eyewitness is there, but where's about it's not known Miller from the day since date of incident Miller. With that
eyewitness, data.
With that respect, Miller, your lordship can have glance order dated 6/9/2024, my lord's order. Directed Miller under State Council Miller.
6/9.
Again.
6/9 order कहीं 6/9 तो किसी नहीं आरटा देख लो फाइल वाली 6/9 तो कौन सा ऑर्डर है इतना CRL number 713 of 2024
13
13
पूर्व 13 ମାର ଗୋଟେ ହେଇଛି 6/9
କୌଣସି ତ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇନି 9 ମସିହାରେ କିଛି ଅର୍ଡର ତମେ
6/9/2024 your lord. 24 your lordship.
ସ୍କାନିଂ ହେଇନି ତ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ
Lordship was pleased to direct take instruction whether he is available or not, my lord. Then, my lord, 39/2024 your lordship.
ସେପ୍ଟେମ୍ବର ମାସରେ ଦିଟା ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇଛି ଯାହା ଲର୍ନିଂ କାଉନସିଲ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ହେଲେ ସ୍କାନିଂ ହେଇନି Learned counsel for the appellant submitted that there are two eyewitnesses in this case, namely Suraj Kurmi and one Rohit Kumbhar. Suraj Kurmi has been examined as PW1 in the trial court. He has not supported the prosecution case. So far as Rohit Kumbhar is concerned, his whereabouts is not known, and even the charge sheet indicates that he did not appear before the IO and absconded from the spot soon after the occurrence and did not return to his house till the submission of charge sheet. State submitted that she has received the case diary, and since it's a case of so and so, the matter will be taken up next week so that she would verify the case record as to whether there are only two eyewitnesses to the occurrence or more, and ascertain whereabouts of eyewitness Rohit Kumbhar. What hella, Mr.
Then, my lord, 39 your lordship.
39 informant made sufficient non-appear, state submitted. Matter may be taken up next week. Instruction regarding whereabouts of eyewitness Rohit Kumbhar. कौन आसी लगी?
Yes.
देखिए.
Rohit Kumbar's 161 also not record.
हाँ सिया तो मैं लिखी थी ली. रिकॉर्ड पढ़ी छो. Rohit Kumbhar are not available in the village. Both so and so efforts are played out to save the life. Lecon had the learning counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state. The learning counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioners earlier approached this court.
My lord, appellant, my lord. Here, my lord, two appellants, my lord. 4 appellants.
Appellants earlier approached this court for bail in CRL. It have common order कर देगा. In CRL number 151 of 24 and 152 of 24. The order dated, common order dated 8/4/2024. Both the CRL are rejected, and liberty was granted to the petitioner to renew the prayer for bail after examination of the injured public eyewitnesses to the occurrence. The land counsel for the petitioner submits that there are two eyewitnesses to the occurrence. Order dated 6/9/2024. The land counsel for the one has not supported the prosecution case. The other eyewitness, the state counsel, was asked to obtain his whereabouts. Today, the land counsel for the state also produced the report of that he has played away that eyewitness. In view of the submission made by the land counsel for the appellant that the appellants are in jail custody since Kevedu.
My lord, so far as first appeal concerned, my lord, he is in custody, my lord, 8/12/2023.
Who's kiye?
Srinivas Bhai, in criminal appeal 713/2024.
Just a minute. Srinivas Bhai लिखी दियंतु 8/12/2023 तापरे.
And Subham Gartia, Magistrate Sahoo, Tillochon Ranchur, my lord, so far as criminal appeal number 775.
Date टा कौन?
25/11/2023.
25/11/2023. तो अन्य 3 जन 4 जन बेल अलाउड. नेक्स्ट
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Item 56, my lord.
Yes, item 58.
My lord. My lord, this is the round litigation, my lord. My lord, the accused is in custody since arrested on 4/7/2022 and go to judicial custody 5/7/2022. My lord, the last occasion the bail application of the petitioner has been rejected and with liberty to the petitioner to renew the prayer after examination of material witnesses. My lord, the case has been originated due to a silly matter, my lord, due to ଭୋଜି ଖାଇବାକୁ ନେଇକି ଗୋଟେ
କଣ ହେଲା witness examine ହେଲେନି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା out of 30 charge sheeted witness only 8 has been examined.
Deposition copy.
ଦେଇଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା flag D.
Flag D.
flag D, my lord.
State council କୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଏଟା କଣ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି? ନାହିଁ ତାପରେ ଆପଣ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି deposition copy Mr. Tripathi? କଣ କିଏ support କରିଛନ୍ତି? All supported.
My lord, due to there is no intention to kill, my lord. And my lord, kindly deposition of the eyewitness, my lord. Deposition of number 2, my lord.
PW2.
My lord.
कौन?
Aditya quarrel with the bride side for shortage of mutton. Vidhu alias Vidyadhar, the receipt, told to the bride side to drive out the accused from that place. Thereafter, again, para 3. Para 3.
ଆପଣ ନାଁ କଣ? ଆଦିତ୍ୟ।
my lord.
Aditya,
accused ନା ଆଦିତ୍ୟ, my lord.
ହଁ ଆଦିତ୍ୟ କଣ କଲା? ମାଂସ
ବୋଲି ମାନେ ଭୋଜି ଯାଇଥିଲେ ବାହାରକୁ
ରାଇଟ୍ ସାଇଡ୍ କନ୍ୟା ଦଳଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ କଜିଆ କଲା ତାପରେ
Vidhu alias Vidyadhar told to bride side to drive out the accused from that place.
ଆଚ୍ଛା
Thereafter accused returned from that spot, my lord. ତାପରେ I along with Vidyadhar and Subhendu Raut returned to one two-wheeler from Biju Kalyani Mandap towards our house. First we leave the Subhendu Raut near his house. Biju told me to leave him at Tarin Chowka and he has kept his motorcycle in front shop of Biro. I along with the Biju went near the shop of Biro and at the time the accused Aditya was sitting in front of the shop of Biro and Sukanta alias Tukula was going down of the road. Goruthula and seeing us stayed there. Biju told Sukanta to stay there and he was going to bring his motorcycle. While Biju was going to bring his motorcycle, accused Aditya assaulted him to his leg for which Biju sat there. Thereafter, dealt one blow by the side of her and another blow to the side of Biju. Then I rushed towards the spot and accused Aditya run away and by leaving the body. ମାନେ ଯୋଉ ବାଡିଟା ଗୋଟେ ସିଜ ହେଲା ସେଇଟା ପାରା 23 ସେଇଟା ବୀର ନାୟକ ଦୋକାନୀ ତା ଘରେ ଯୋଉ ଦୋକାନରେ ସେ ରଖିଥିଲା ସେଇଟା ସେ ବାଡିଟା
ବାଡିରେ ତ ବାଡିଛନ୍ତି ତା ମୁଣ୍ଡକୁ
ସେ ବାଡିଟା ଇଣ୍ଟେନସନ ନାହିଁ ସେ ବାଡିଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଠି ଗୋଟେ ପଡିଛି ବାଡେଇଦେଲା ତା ଭିତରେ ଯୁକ୍ତିତର୍କ ହେଇଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପାରା 17 there is a spot visible from near the house of
trial stage ରେ ଦେଖାଅ informant ପାଇଁ ଏଟା ତାନାରେ କେସ୍ ବାଜ ଅଛି
There is antecedent matters, but I got instruction there is one case.
ଆପଣ ସେଇ କନ୍ୟା ଦଳ ତରଫରୁ କନ୍ୟା ପଟ ସାଇଡ ର ଏଟା ଡକେଇଥିଲେ ମାଂସ ଦେଲେନି ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଗଣ୍ଡଗୋଳ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଲା ଆପଣ ଡାକିବେ ମାଂସ କରିବେ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଖାଇବାକୁ ଦେବେନି ସେ ଗଣ୍ଡଗୋଳ ହେଲା ବାଡିରେ ଆଉ କଣ କରିବ Heard the learned counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that earlier petitioner opposed this court for bail, which was rejected in CRL number so and so, by order dated so and so. Further submits that Petitioner is in judicial custody since 5/7/2022. In the meantime, material witnesses have been examined, and PW2 is an eyewitness to the occurrence who has stated that during the feast, on account of shortage of mutton, there was a quarrel between the accused and the deceased, and due to such dispute, the petitioner stated to have assaulted the deceased with a lathi. And in view of the period of detention in judicial custody, the bail application may be favorably considered. Learned counsel for the state placed the evidence of the witnesses examined so far in the trial court. Considering the submission, nature of evidence adduced, surrounding circumstances under which the occurrence took place, period of detention in judicial custody, I am inclined to reconsider the prayer for bail. Informant also opposed, no? Prayer for bail is allowed. He shall appear before the London trial court on each date in the trial hearing of the date, and shall not try to tamper with the evidence, shall not indulge in any criminal activity, violation of any terms and conditions, shall entail cancellation of bail. Yes, bail allowed. Next.
Item 59.
May I please worship item 59, my lord, on behalf of Mr. Devasis Tripathi. My lord, pray for next week, my lord, after vacation.
Holidays.
Item 60.
60 million.
Last time it has come. Notice. Yes. Extra copy. Notice. CD. CA. Confirmation letter. Yes.
Item 61.
Item 61, please, your lordship, similar to item number 57. But only thing is that whether notice is sufficient or not. Another appellant similar.
Notice sufficient or not?
Confirmation letter notice. Already standing.
এটা তো তার ডিসকাশনের দিকে না প্লাই আচ্ছা আচ্ছা কনফার্মেশন লেটারটা শিওর नहीं जान है ना 61 आफ्टर पूजा हॉलिडेज हां नेक्स्ट
Item 62.
62 मतलब though initially 3 SC/ST were there, but subsequently 3 SC/ST
notice है कि ना फर्स्ट टाइम PSCST বর্তমানে আড় হয়ে গেল আচ্ছা এক্সট্রা কপি CD CA confirmation letter. Yes, next.
Item 63.
360 376D also there.
जाइए notice जाइए
नहीं चाहिए.
अच्छा extra copy CD CA confirmation letter. हाँ 52.
Yes, sir.
हाँ कौन?
Earlier there is earlier appellant approved this one, my lord, and liberty was granted after examination of the victim.
56 my lord.
56
हाँ
56 में रहिला एठी 25/10/2024
I am for the interception.
से केही तो नाहांती नॉन अपियर्स लिख देगी आफ्टर Gyanalok Mohanty, Land and Central Government Council is present. Non appears for the petitioner after puja holidays. Yeah, though?
Obliged.
Okay.